Hello students, welcome to our 11th physics class. This video continue with the first lesson, Nature of Physical World and Measurement. Now we are going to learn about 1.5.2 Measurement of Mass and second topic 1.5.3 Measurement of Time Intervals. Measurement of mass. Mass is a property of matter. It does not depend on temperature, pressure and location of the body in space. That means independent of temperature, pressure and any location of the body. Mass of a body is defined as the quantity of matter contained in a body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, is short form kg. Masses of object which we shall study in this course vary over a wide range. This may vary from a tiny mass of electron, that means small amount of mass is 9.11 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kg, to the Higgs mass of the known universe. Higgs means very big, 10 to the power of 55 kg. The order of masses of various objects is shown in table 1.6. Ordinarily, the mass of an object is determined in kilograms using a common balance like the one used in a grocery shop for measuring large masses like table 1.6. Range of masses. Range of masses: electron 10 to the power of minus 30 kg, proton or neutron 10 to the power of minus 27 kg, and uranium atom 10 to the power of minus 25 kg, red blood cell 10 to the power of minus 14 kg, a cell 10 to the power of minus 10 kg, dust particle 10 to the power of minus 9 kg, raindrop 10 to the power of minus 6 kg, mosquito 10 to the power of minus 5 kg, grapes 10 to the power of minus 3, frog 10 to the power of minus 1, human 10 to the power of plus 2, that means 100, car 10 to the power of 3, that means thousands, ship 10 to the power of 5 kg, moon 10 to the power of plus 23 kg, earth 10 to the power of 25 kg, sun 10 to the power of 30 kg, Milky Way 10 to the power of plus 41 kg, and observable universe 10 to the power of plus 55 kg. Measurement of time intervals. Time flows uniformly forward. Sir Isaac Newton. Time is what a clock reads. Albert Einstein. A clock is used to measure the time interval. An atomic standard of time is based on the periodic vibration produced in a cesium atoms. Some of the clocks developed later are electric oscillator, electronic oscillator, solar clock, quartz crystal clock, atomic clock, decay of elementary particles, radioactive dating, and etc. The order of time intervals are tabulated in table 1.7. The atomic clock, which keep times on the basis of radiation from cesium atoms, is accurate to about 3 millions of a second per year. Order of time interval, some event in seconds. Lifespan of the most unstable particles is 10 to the power of minus 24. Minus means very small value. And time taken by light to cross a distance of nuclear size is 10 to the power of minus 22. Period of X-rays 10 to power of minus 19. Time period of electron in hydrogen atoms 10 to power of minus 15 seconds. Period of visible lights 10 to power of minus 15 seconds. Time taken by visible lights to crash through a window fan 10 to power of minus 8 seconds. Lifetime of an excited state of atoms 10 to power of minus 8 seconds. Period of radio waves 10 to power of minus 6 seconds. That means microseconds. Time period of audible sound waves 10 to power of minus 3. That means milliseconds. Wing of an eye 10 to power of minus 1. And its decimal value 0.1. Next, time interval between two successive heartbeat 10 to power of 0. That means 1. Travel time of light from moon to earth 10 to power of 0. And time travel of light from sun to earth 10 to power of plus 2. That means 100 seconds. Half-life time of a free neutron 10 to power of 3 seconds. And time period of a satellite 10 to power of 4 seconds. 10,000 seconds. Time period of rotation of earth around its axis per 1 day 10 to power of 5 seconds. That means 1 lakh seconds. Time period of evaluation of earth around the sun per 1 year 10 to power of 7. That means 1 crore seconds. Average life of a human being 10 to power of 9 seconds. That means 1 billion seconds. And age of Egyptian pyramids 10 to power of plus 11. And last one, the age of universe is 10 to power of plus 17. This is all important 1 marks and general GK. So watch twice this video and read and write 2 times. Thank you, students.